It's easy to get distracted by hundreds of new AI apps launching every week, but successful businesses ignore the noise. Instead, they focus on 4 proven tools to get actual work done. First up, Perplexity dominates the research phase. It summarizes unfamiliar topics and pulls direct source citations, letting teams safely explore concepts without fearing hallucinations. Next, GitHub Copilot accelerates software development. It writes code and explains complex functions, acting as a digital pair programmer to speed up development rather than replacing humans. Then there's Claude, the specialized choice for heavy-duty document analysis. It easily handles massive amounts of text and analyzes thick reports, maintaining deep context that other models easily lose track of. And finally, ChatGPT remains the ultimate versatile baseline. Teams use it as their primary hub for daily operations, handling general brainstorming, drafting quick content, and planning entire projects. The most productive companies don't rely on one single magical AI to run their entire business. Instead, they build a carefully diversified toolkit, assigning different specialized models to the exact jobs they do best.